All right, let's look at another example. So we're going to find the graph of inequality, the first one, and then the second one. So the first one, y-intercept 3, y-intercept 3, and then the slope 2 up, 3 to the right. 2 up, 3 to the right, 2 up, 3 to the right. Decide if it's going to be solid or dashed. Solid. And let's use a testing point 0, 0. If this 0, 0 makes the inequality true, then you shade this part. Otherwise, you're gonna color the other part. So 0, 0 plus 3. This is 0. Is 0 greater than 3 or equal to 3? False. So the other side should be the answer. And then let's graph another one. We have -3 as the y-intercept, and then you go up by 4, and then 3 to the right. You go up by 4, 3 to the right. 3 to the right. You go up by 4, 3 to the right. You go up by 4 and 3 to the right. So if you graph it, it's going to be, and it should be a dashed line. I just extended a little bit because the line is intersecting at here, right? So, and it's dashed line. And let's use a 0, like testing point. If 0 is included in this part, the upper part, or the lower part. 0, 4, 3, 0, minus 3. Is 0 greater than -3? Yes. So, where is it? So upper part of this line is going to be the answer. I'm gonna color like this. So the whole thing above this line is going to be the answer. So can you find the part shaded twice? I'm gonna use the green. So this part, including the blue line, right? Including the blue line until the black part ends. Okay, so only this part is going to be the solution. So this is not a solution, this is not a solution, this is not a solution. So only this part between blue and black, which shaded twice, is going to be the solution. All right, now I need you to answer at least a solution for any, like for this inequality, for this system, any solution. So if you choose any number in this green area, that's going to be the answer. So I just chose this one, -2 and 5. So -2 and 5. The answer may vary, and at least a non-solution. So any point outside this green area, which is for -1, for my answer. Your answer could be this one, your answer could be this one, your answer could be this one. Not any point besides this green area can be the answer. 0, 0 is the answer. 0, 0, like 2, -3 is going to be the answer for 3. We need to graph this 2 inequality. We have standard form. I like standard form because it's much easier if you find x, y-intercept. Okay, so x-intercept, y0, so x is equal to 4. Y-intercept, y, x0, so 2y, 4, so y is equal to 2. X-intercept, y-intercept. And it's a solid or dashed? It is solid line. So let's graph the line. And after you graph it, you have to use testing point 0, 0. Let's say if 0, 0 is a solution of this area. 0, 0, even it's much easier with, testing point if you have a standard form. So 0 is less than 4. Yes, true. So this whole area is going to be the answer. Now let's find x-intercept, y0. So y0, it's 3x, -3. X is -1. So -1 is X -1 here, and Y intercept Y or X 0. So Y is equal to -3. Y is equal to -3. So, and it should be also solid line. So let's draw the line. And now we're going to use it 0, 0 as a testing point. 3, 0, and 0 greater than -3. So 0 is greater than -3. No, 0 is, oh yeah, -3. 0 is greater than -3, so it's true. So the point has, the region has 0 of the black line. You see like the right side and the left side. Only this area is going to be the solution for black. Okay, so which part is shaded twice? Is this, we have 4 regions, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 1 not shaded at all, 2 only shaded once, 3 only shaded once. So 4 is the answer. So this area shaded twice. So that is going to be the answer. So what is it? Can you list a solution? Just give me one. Any point which is located in the answer, the green area. It could be this or this and this, or 0, 0, also the answer. I'm going to give you 0, 0, like 2, -1, or 4, -2. It could be many. And what about least non-solution? You could be any point out of these 3 regions. So I'm going to do this. It is -4, 5, -4, 5, and it could be this point. It's -1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -5, 0, or it could be this point, like 6 and 6, 5. So any point which is not located in green area will be the answer for 3. All right, these kind of questions will be really, you may feel really easier than graphing. So we know that the solution of this system of inequality is only this red part, right? So which order pair is a solution, is in the solution set? 1, 1. 1, 1 is in this area, so 1, 1 is a solution. What about 2, -3? Is it a solution? No. What about 4, 2? 4, 2. It is in the solution, yes. What about -3, 1? Uh-oh. It's not a solution. So A and C is going to be the answer. So this one is easier than graphing. So you should be correct at the test. I'm going to do one more question. 1 and 2. So I'm going to use the same thing. X-intercept. When y is 0, so it's going to be 3x, -2. X is -2/3. So x-intercept is -2/3. This should be somewhere here, less than -1. And y-intercept, x is 0, so -2y is equal to -2, y is equal to -1, y, -1. So I'm going to graph this, I'm going to connect these 2 dots, and it should be solid line. Okay, I'm gonna just graph roughly. All right, and you have to use testing point. So this 0, 0 is included in this area. It's going to be the solution. 0 plus 3 times 0, 2 times 0. We already know that this is going to be 0. 0 is greater than -2. True. So this part will be shaded. And I'm going to finish the next line. So now let's check. I just find the x, y-intercept and use the testing point to if it's true or false. And this point is true. So I just shaded the under of the pink line. And we have 4 region, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And only 4 is shaded twice. So the answer is going to be this.